Report templates. Report templates allow you to customize Acumatica to save time. In this video, I will demonstrate how to run reports with and without templates. In this example, I am going to run the detailed trial balance report. To run this report, I specify several parameters such as the ledger ID, financial period, sorting settings, and filtering settings. To make things easier the next time I want to run this report, I will save my selections as a template so that I can easily retrieve them next time. I can also share my template with others or establish these settings as a default. Now, when I rerun the report by clicking the report name, notice that it automatically delivers my results without the need to specify the report parameters. For more information about Acumatica, visit our website to read documentation and view other videos.